All right, little update on the Honda today. I've got the front fenders off, and you can see a little better the wee bit of damage done by the accident with the pole from the previous owner. By the way, if you ever want to do this yourself, these are the tools you'll need. That's of course, dead blow hammer with a flathead screwdriver. That's to break the seal on that this little bit right here, where the fender bolts in behind the door. To get to that, you'll need to, let's see, there's a T30 Torx bit to break it loose, and then to get it the rest of the way out without doing too much damage to the door itself, you use this bit, this T30 Torx screwdriver that a friend of mine loaned me. And if you do need to put a little more torque on it, 24 millimeter wrench left over from my my alignment days, working the alignment rack at the Mercedes Porsche dealership. And then this guy, either one of these or one of these, preferably this, I think, with a bigger bit. Get at these two screws here, and also to take out the screws for the corner light. And then let's see. Oh, and then this guy, you might be wondering what this is. This is a door handle tool, and very handy. Use it for lots of things. In this case, I used it to break the plastic push tabs that were holding the fender liner in place. I also clean it up and use it to remove knobs from guitars, electric guitars. So if you got the full dude package and you're a guitarist as well, get you one of those. It makes working on guitars easier. So anyway, but the trick to getting to that bolt, and that was the trickiest one, is to open up the door and pull on it all the way to get the bolt to clear. And you may still end up putting a little chip in the door like I did, but that's okay. The whole thing may end up getting repainted. Oh boy, let's see. So anyway, on the fenders themselves, this one just has one little, let's see if I can get it to, see it there in the light, one little bit right there, kink, that maybe the guys at work can work out. However, this one has got a much bigger kink. This was the passenger side that the pole was on, and it's also the whole sheet of paint here is flaked up from the torque of the impact. So I still think this one might be able to be saved. I hope so. If not, there is another one on the Yahoo Japan auctions, or maybe past tense if I've already bought it before I put this up on YouTube. But anyway, so that's at least replaceable. And of course, there's the corner light that was broken. I know I've already got a fresh pair of those, nice used ones from Japan already. Haven't found a headlight though. That's or the lights that go in the front bumper in the front. They haven't found those yet either, but hopefully eventually they'll turn up. So that's where I am at for now. Talk to y'all later.